My life sucks.
You think?
I tried calling him. I've texted him.
Oh, and he didn't forgive you after a few texts? What are you, a 14-year-old girl?
Stop being a jerk. 10 years. I it up.
Sure did.
I haven't heard from him in a week.
What are you gonna do, give up?
I don't know what to do.
Can I make an observation? I see people come in here all the time. Singles, crazies, young, old. But rarely do I ever see two people as suited for each other as you and Kyle. Sure, you're going to get tired of each other. You're going to annoy the hell out of each other. That's how relationships work. David, my partner passed away 5 years ago. I miss him every day. He was my soulmate. Kyle's still here. Don't give up.